Recently, FBLA started a cell phone drive in which teens recycle their old cell phones.
Ms. Simpson tells us a little more about the cell phone drive.
Voice of America chapter. We've done it for about 8 to 10 years, somewhere in that vicinity. And it started as a state project and then it became a local project, even when the state no longer did it. And we recycle cell phones for 2 reasons. One, it keeps them out of the landfill because they have some metals and things like that that should not leach into our groundwater, so we try and keep that out of the landfill. And secondly, we can recycle them with a company that will give us a little bit of money, and that money can then be used to be given back to a local charity. So we've donated to like the San Juan Cancer Center, to Sharing Ministries, and this year the money will go to the Dolphin House.
Simpson explains how the cell phone drive helps the community.
I hope that it's helping. I mean, I know that it's kind of become a constant, so people just continually to bring us cell phones. And, the fact that those are actually being taken apart and the parts reused and we don't have to mine for those particular things, as well as the fact that we're keeping the environment hopefully a little bit cleaner because we're not sending those things into our local groundwater, I think is important. And then, of course, any money that we can give back locally to organizations here hopefully has an impact.
The cell phone drive isn't FBLA's only effort to support the community.
A couple of different community service kinds of things. So in the fall we did a food drive for Sharing Ministries. We did Hat Day a couple of weeks ago and that money goes to Sharing Ministries. And then we'll also do the cell phone. And those are kind of the things that we continue to do. They seem to work and be able to give back to our local community.
Sophomore Maddie Barker gives her input about the cell phone
The cell phone
drive.
drive was beneficial because it was just a way to give back and repurpose things that might have been viewed as like waste to other people. So I think it was really good and we need more things like it. And we should have more things like that. It'll just give us a way to give back to people in need.
Sophomore Lauren Bridges also gives her input.
Yes, I think it helped because you donate like stuff you're not using that might be hazardous to the environment, and you just recycle it to make something else like a new computer or even a new cell phone. So I think it was good that Montrose did this so we can get rid of our old cell phones. So I think Montrose should do something like this because they helped out a lot of people that needed cell phones or just to recycle something for the environment, and I think they should do another thing like this for like recycling paper.
This has been Michael Broughton reporting for MHS Indian News.